Hello everyone, I am Rufia Abbas on behalf of Sen Biotechnologists Association. In this lecture, we are going to talk about probiotics, their characteristics, factors affecting the probiotics, some advantages, and some foods which are used in probiotics, and the effects of probiotics. So let me know you about probiotics. What are probiotics? Probiotics are living microorganism feed supplements that have beneficial effect on host by improving its intestinal microbial balance. Probiotics improves bowel movement. They produce beneficial effect on health. They prevent us from harmful bacteria, and they can be ingested as a food, or they aid in digestion. Factors affecting the intestinal micro ecosystem. So antibodies and other drug intakes, microbial infections, diet, chronic diarrhea, stress, chlorinated water, radiation, chemotherapy, colonic therapies for detoxification. These can change gut microbiota. The relationship between disorders of microbiota and several diseases modulate that balance. Characteristics of probiotics. These are few characteristics of effective probiotics. They're able to survive the passage through the digestive system. They're able to attach to the intestinal epithelia and colonize. They're able to maintain good viability. They're able to utilize the nutrients and substrate in normal diet. They are non-pathogenic and non-toxic. They're anti-inflammatory, anti-mutagenic, and immunostimulators. They're capable of exerting a beneficial effect on host. Their stability of desired characteristics during processing, storage, and transportation. And they're capable of exerting beneficial effect. Some advantages of probiotics. They produce lactic acid by lowering the pH of intestine and inhibiting bacterial valence such as Salmonella and E. coli. They decrease the production of variety of toxic or carcinogenic metabolites. They aid absorption of minerals, especially calcium, due to increased intestinal acidity. There is a production of beta-D galactosidase enzyme that break down lactose. They also produce vitamins, especially vitamin B and K, or it act to prevent harmful bacteria from colonizing the intestines. Sometimes it produces wide range of antimicrobial substances. Let's talk about the location and prevalence of probiotics. They are mainly or mostly found in large intestine and rare in esophagus. They are uncommon in the stomach, primarily gram-negative. They are also found in jejunum, primarily in aerobes. Probiotics live throughout the entire body. There are 10 times more probiotics than cells in our body. Food containing probiotics. Probiotics used in many everyday food items for both pets and humans. Some food items are milk, soya milk, tofu milk products, including soya cream, buttermilk, yogurt. They are also used in some Indian foods like dosas, doklas, vadas, curry. Probiotic foods. The first one is yogurt. Yogurt is the most popular probiotic food because it is widely available. They are usually made from milk, rarely from cream, inoculated with Streptococcus thermophilus and either Lactobacillus acidophilus or Lactobacillus bulgaricus. They are Turkish in origin and they are available in different forms and flavors like low-fat chocolate yogurts, drinkable fruits flavored goat yogurt, neon color yogurt in squeeze tubes. The second one is Yakult dairy drink. Yakult and Yakult Light is delicious probiotic fermented milk drink. It is probiotic cultured dairy beverage, has citrus flavor. They are solid in single shot containers that contain around 8 billion lives and active lactobacillus casei shirota cells per bottle. Probiotics in dosage form. Sometimes oral delivery of probiotics can be achieved through diverse dosage form and standard form or sometimes an individual customization that include capsules, sticks, powder, blends, chewable tablets, capsules, and tablets. Side effects of probiotics include rare cases cause bloating, diarrhea, abdominal pain, if in excess cause infection that required medical attention. People having on underlying diseases or compromised immune system cause potential health problems like skin rash, fever, bloody stools, etc. Sometimes interact with immunosuppressive drugs leading to life-threatening conditions, so people taking such drugs should avoid it. Go through these references and get more information. Thank you so much for your attention.